Got tools.
I think that takes 15 inch.
It would be a fabulous time. I know people in business right now, money that's not a lot of
Got that.
here, and that would
Got
really make a
that.
difference in these
Yeah, but
women's
you
lives
don't get that in there.
at El Shaddai. So
And if you do it out here, you'll have
donating that money.
too big a mess.
Very nice.
Well, you do it outside.
What's that?
What if you do it outside?
Then we still make a big mess. Where's it? Do that. You know where to measure it? You have to have it tied up.
Favorite Christmas song.
The tires
We want to
here
thank you for
inside,
those
here
requests
inside.
and wish all of you a very Merry Christmas. Now, please enjoy Dan Hecht at his organ.
There. Yeah, 15-inch tire you need. Good old.
The doors to our showroom are open wide and we would also marking inside.
Yeah, we got some
Why
around
he said,
here.
I don't know what to do. Dancer has a cold.
But anyway, I ain't gonna, if you wanna take a wire brush and clean it up, you can, but not me tonight. I gotta feed calves yet.
Santa, you could use this big Chevy
You need help with that?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind it.
You want help with that?
And then we got
Husband can come back in here and work on that. Yeah, where's the wire at? I know where it is. I think, I don't know. What do you want us to do with this?
Well, I thought I had a better one.
I'll just throw it out. Throw it by the tire there.
Yeah, I'll throw it by the tire.
There's some over there on that bench, I say wire brush.
Okay, I threw the tire out of the
You
tree.
can, you want to, you can set it in the back of the side by side, and then you don't have to bend over.
Here. I'm gonna go feed cows. I'll talk to you later. I can't film that.
Brush the inside
See ya.
out.
Ow, I just hit myself in the nose.